Hidden deep in the hills of Bel-Air, behind towering gates, private guards, and more security than some governments, lies a mansion so breathtaking, so impossibly luxurious. Only a global legend could call it home. Today, we're stepping inside the $88 million Bel-Air Mansion of Beyonce. A home so unreal it makes even billionaires pause. And once you see what's inside, you'll understand why this isn't just a house. It's a personal kingdom. Let's begin. The entrance of a queen. The estate doesn't just look expensive. It feels expensive. Spread across 30,000 square feet, Beyoncé's Bel-Air Mansion is a futuristic masterpiece. 6 structures connected by ultra-modern hallways, massive glass walls, and floating staircases that look like they're defying gravity. Even before you enter, the home whispers, "Welcome to the life of a queen." The grand living space. Walk through the front doors, and your brain needs a moment to process what you're seeing. The living room is enormous, a cathedral of light and space. Italian marble floors, sky-high ceilings, and retractable glass walls that open the entire mansion to the outdoors. Just one click, and the home transforms into an open-air palace. Sunlight drips in from every direction, making the entire space glow. This is where Beyoncé plans world tours, hosts icons, and dreams bigger than anyone else on Earth. And yes, every piece of furniture costs more than an average car. The legendary kitchens. Now, let's talk about the kitchen, or rather, the kitchens. 2 full-size gourmet kitchens built for private chefs, with handcrafted cabinetry, top-of-the-line appliances, and marble counters stretching across the room like a runway.
This isn't where you cook dinner.
This is where culinary art happens.
And the dining room?
A long, elegant space overlooking the entire city of Los Angeles, glowing beneath you like a sea of gold. Dinner here feels like an event. The master suite fit for royalty. Enter Beyoncé's master suite.
And you instantly understand why this home cost $88 million.
The bedroom alone is bigger than most apartments. It has a private spa, dual dressing rooms, check massive glass walls, a marble and gold bathroom that belongs in a palace.
And her walk-in closet?
It doesn't look like a closet at all. It looks like a luxury designer boutique. Spotlights, perfect shelving, and space for hundreds of Beyoncé's most iconic outfits. This is where the queen prepares to conquer the world. The features only ultra-rich can buy. Now here's where the home gets crazy. This mansion comes with 4 swimming pools, each on different levels, reflecting the sky like blue mirrors. A private basketball court, where Jay-Z and guests shoot hoops. A professional recording studio, so Beyoncé can create magic without leaving home. A 15-car garage, filled with luxury cars you'll rarely see on the road. A home movie theater, where the family watches films, in billionaire style. This isn't luxury, this is architectural fantasy. The backyard paradise. Step outside, and the backyard feels like a billion-dollar resort. Cabanas, fire pits, waterfalls, and a panoramic view so stunning it almost doesn't look real. At night, the entire mansion glows softly, like a diamond resting in the hills. For someone who spends her life performing for the world, this is the perfect escape. Final message. Beyoncé's $88 million Bel-Air Mansion isn't just a home. It is a symbol of excellence, a monument to success. A reminder that when you dream far enough, the world becomes your stage. This isn't just where Beyoncé lives. This is where she reigns. If you love exploring the world of luxury, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss our next high-end story.